So in case you missed Bitcoin in 2013 and you also missed Oprah News in 2020, then don't miss YouTube automation in 2025. Yeah, so my name is Chris Metal and I'm bringing to you about YouTube automation. So I was there one day, then my friend came to me and was like, Charlie, let's cash out on YouTube automation. I was like, what the hell is YouTube automation? So I took my time and did a whole research, and I'm going to review to you in this video a whole lot. So in this video, I'm going to review to you how to even start YouTube automation, the tools you even need to do YouTube automation. And I will also review to you how people are earning thousands of dollars every month on YouTube. So this is my own YouTube account that I'm showing to you right now. And this is a YouTube account I created on the 18th of March, 2025. And this is an evidence of YouTube automation. This is how I started. So on the 18th of March, I created this account. As you can see over here, I've selected lifetime. You understand? So when I selected lifetime, you can see I created this account on the 18th of March. And on the 18th of March to date, it's about like 1 month and 2 weeks as at the time I'm recording this video. So looking at this, you see, this is not boosting. This is real. This is organic. You can see 18.3K subscribers with 538,000 views and 1.2K watch hours. So you can see this account is actually not monetized yet, but I'm telling you that this is an evidence of how things can work, just not by luck. So YouTube right now is not by luck anymore. I'm telling you, it's by strategy and by how you have to do it. So it's not by luck. So this is how I did it. Watch this video to the end. Okay, so before we continue, do me a favor by hitting on the subscribe button and like and share to people. So this same channel, when you come to customs, starting from on the 18th of March 2025, okay, to 19th of March 2025, just one day within 24 hours, I posted one video. This is the video I posted on the 18th of March. And when I posted the video, within 24 hours, the video was able to attract 1,000 subscribers. And the video was able to attract 10,000 views. Yes, and 41.7 watch hours. And this video, as it stands now, this video is actually, can you see? You can see, it's actually having 170,000 views. As it stands now. And when I click on this video, you can see that this video has attracted 12.2K subscribers. Only this video. First video on the channel. First channel created. So, how did I do this? What is even YouTube automation? YouTube automation, in simply put, is actually making videos opposite to the traditional way of doing videos. And what is even the traditional way of doing videos? This video you are watching right now is the traditional way of making videos. That is actually me showing my real face and my real voice, editing manpower to you, and you watch it. That is the traditional way of making YouTube videos. But the automation actually doesn't really need your real face. And it doesn't even necessarily need your real voice. You understand? And that is all about YouTube automation. So it means that you can actually make videos without even going outside, taking a camera, roaming outside and be taking videos. You can even make videos and gain this kind of views, as you can see on YouTube. So with YouTube automation, there are some steps that you have to follow. The first on the list is script writing. The first is script writing. The second is voiceover. The third one is video editing. The fourth one is you make a thumbnail. Yes. So that is all. And all are handled by either freelancers or AIs. So it means that for script writing, for voiceover, for video editing, and for your thumbnails, you can either employ a freelancer, pay the freelancer, like a graphic designer to design a thumbnail for you, or you can pay a script writer to write a script for you, or you can pay a voiceover artist to give you a voiceover. You can pay them as freelancers. However, you can also use AI tools, and that is what we are going to talk about most in this video. Don't miss this, just like you missed Bitcoin in 2013. So how to start YouTube automation? It's very, very simple. First of all, pick a niche. That is the most important thing. Pick a niche. It can be about anything you want to talk about. It can also be something you have a long-term plans for. It can be about music if you are a music lover or something. Pick something that you have passion for so that you wouldn't get bored in doing. You understand? So pick a niche. Don't think of somebody is making money from this particular niche, so let me run and go and do it. No. Just pick something. Just pick a niche. You understand? You can also search some keywords on VidIQ, and VidIQ is going to guide you in even choosing a niche. Even ChatGPT can also help you in reasoning, in picking a niche. And when you are done, you have to create a content strategy. A content strategy, what I mean is, how are you going to make your videos? Are you going to make your videos 1 minute long? Are you going to make your videos 30 seconds? Are you going to make your videos 15 seconds? And even how are you going to make it? What are you going to talk about? For instance, you picked a niche on entertainment and you actually chose music. Which type of music? Are you going to talk about R&B, or are you going to even talk about rappers? Are you going to talk about African music? Are you going to do something about breakdown podcast, or are you going to talk about artists? You understand? You have to get a strategy, and you can reason with ChatGPT or even VidIQ. Now, tools you can use. For script writing, instead of paying a freelancer to write a script for you, now there is a very powerful AI tool which can help you do that. And I'm going to recommend ChatGPT for you. ChatGPT, number one. It can help you with the script writing. Now, let's move on to ChatGPT in case you don't know how to use it. Now, in this video, I'm not going to focus much on how to use the various tools, but let me at least give you how you can do it. You understand? So, when you go to google.com, just search on your PC, ChatGPT, okay? Just click on ChatGPT, www.chatgpt.com. Then, on the first page, or maybe even if you already have account, it's free. You understand? They have a plan there. You can see upgrade plan. But most of the things you can do for free. So no need, if you are starting, if you're a new YouTuber, no need to pay any amount of money. You understand? Yes. So when you come to ChatGPT, then you say, maybe make a script for me. For instance, we chose we chose a niche about vacation or traveling, We are talking about traveling. Then we say, make script for me. And after, maybe we chose about traveling, but we are going to make a video, a short. You understand? We are not going to make long form videos. Shorts actually are one of the best ways to grow your YouTube channel. So make script for me. Just simple English. You understand? You just write a prompt like this. Make a script for me for about the topic, top 5 must visit places in America. Top 5 must visit places in America. Like this. Okay. Here is it. He said opening scene. So boom, it's here. Narrator. It's like this. Planning a trip to the United States or just daydreaming about blah, 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 blah. You understand? If it's very long, it's just a prompt. You just have to say, hey, ChatGPT, make it short. Make it short. I want 25 seconds shorts. Okay. 25 seconds video. Okay. Make it catchy. Make it catchy and engaging. You understand? So you can create something like that. Just talk to it. Okay, make it catchy and engaging. You see, I'm even. So after you write, he said, here's your 25 seconds video. Top 5 must visit places. NYC, Light Sky Scrappers and Endless Energy, blah, 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 Orlando, you see. So that's it. So when you are done with the ChatGPT, now the next tool you will need for your voiceover, after you've created your scripts, now you have to make a voiceover. Don't worry if you don't have any voiceover artist or if you don't have a voice like mine. You understand? What you have to do is just go to google.com, search 11 Laughs. That's one of the best AI tools I'm also recommending for you. It's actually free. You can do most of the things free. You don't need to pay anything. So when you come to 11 Laughs, you just create an account here. After creating an account, you see there are so many voices. Then you go to text to speech. Okay. So when you go to text to speech, I wouldn't be explaining much about this, but later on we'll talk more. So you go to text to speech, you just copy the script you got from the from ChatGPT. Okay. Then you come to ChatGPT 11 Labs, then you just paste it over there. Then you select any voice you want. We have Brian, we have Adams, we have Alice, we have Bill, we have Callum. You just choose any vocal you want. After you've gotten your voice over, now the next two that I'm going to also recommend for you right now. Okay, so now we have our script. We have our voiceover. Now, what next? We need some shorts. We need some pictures. We need some videos. Now, like I said, you don't need to have a camera, or you don't need to go out and be shooting videos. However, YouTube doesn't support a copy and paste content, like a reuse content. You have to add value to any content that you are posting on YouTube, even if it is not for you, even if you didn't originally shoot that video. You have to add value to it, and it's acceptable. You understand? That is what we call the repurpose video. So when you can go on YouTube, go on TikTok, go on Instagram, or anywhere Facebook, anywhere you're going to find any video, just download pictures, download videos that will suit what you want to talk about. You can even allow ChatGPT. ChatGPT can generate pictures for you. You understand? It can also make videos, but the videos will be on a paid version. So if you want pictures, you can say, generate 5 portrait pictures for me. ChatGPT is ready to do that. You understand? So you see, I first created top 5 tourist sites in the US. He said, let's go. 5. Number 5, boom, this, boom, this. So he said, would you like help creating visuals or source? And then I said, generate a thumbnail for me. You see, very nice. This is something that I just generated with ChatGPT. You see, it just generated it, image created. You see, then you can just click here and download the image and use it for anything you want to do. This is like very professional. You don't even need any person. You don't need any Adobe Premiere Pro. You don't need, it can do a whole lot for you. You can just touch it small. If you can decide to touch it small. You understand? Yes. So that's it. Okay. So now you've done your script. You've gotten your voiceovers. You've gotten your videos or your shorts or anywhere you got your videos. Now it's time to gather them up and add everything together. Now you need a video editor. For video editing software, you can use CapCut. You can use Adobe Premiere Pro. But I think for beginner, CapCut is very user-friendly. But if you are an advanced video editor, you can use Adobe Premiere Pro. But even me, I've been doing video for a very long time, but I still prefer CapCut because I think CapCut is very fast and I can even use it on my phone. You understand? I can use it on my phone. For Adobe Premiere, I'm now going to copy the video files to the PC and I'm now going to cut. No. This is automation. I'm just doing a 15 seconds video. I just need 15 seconds to do 15 minutes to do such a video, so I don't need to stress too much. You understand? However, it doesn't also mean you have to do some shabby work and be posting on YouTube. No, it doesn't work like that. We are going to talk about that later. You understand? You have to produce a kind of video that people actually love it. Produce quality content. We'll talk about algorithm later. Yeah. So right now, after you've done that, you can add subtitles. And subtitles, mostly, I personally use TikTok to do my subtitles. Why? Because for CapCut, before you use a subtitle, you have to pay. You understand? It's the paid version. So far, that is what I use. Maybe if you use any other software for the subtitles, you can also leave it in the comment section. But for now, I use TikTok. So I actually try posting the video on TikTok. However, I won't finalize it. I won't make the post. You understand? But I'll use it to generate my captions. Then later on, I'll just download it back and post it back on YouTube. That's what I do. So after doing all this, now we have our final video. After you get your final video, then you need a thumbnail. A thumbnail is quite easy to create. You can either decide, if you have the money, pay a graphic designer to design a thumbnail for you. If you're a graphic designer, you can also design it yourself by using Adobe Premiere Pro or any other software that you want. However, there's also an easy way of doing that. That's why I say that is YouTube automation. You understand? There's an easier way of doing that, which you can use ChatGPT. It can create for you within just few minutes. You understand? At first, it's like seconds, but right now, there's traffic on ChatGPT right now. So it's just few seconds. Yeah, a few minutes, then it will come. You understand? So you just wait and create your thumbnail there. You can also use Canvas to do that. You understand? If you are, maybe later on, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to use the Canvas to make the thumbnails. So just subscribe once again, like and share to people. If you've watched the video to this far, thanks very much. When you are done, now it's time to post the video. So you basically post the video as shorts. You understand? I'm saying shorts and shorts and shorts again because shorts is one of the best way to grow YouTube account. You understand? I actually use my shorts to grow my channel. Then later on, I have to make my long form videos. You understand? Yes. So shorts is one of the best ways to grow your YouTube account because YouTube actually promotes those contents for you, unlike the long form videos. Yes. Okay. So now this is the final tip I have for you. For YouTube automation, I am suggesting shorts. Be posting more shorts to grow your channel. However, when you are posting the shorts, this is also one tip. Be consistent. At least 1 to 2 videos a day. Yes. Just be consistent. Also, don't expect a fast result. You understand? However, it can be very fast like magic. Yes, it's not luck. If you apply the good strategies very well, maybe later on I'll do a video also on how you can make your video to target the algorithm, which is not luck, which is just doing some few things. You understand? Because it's not luck. It's not luck. Don't tell me it's luck. I'll show you another account right now. You understand? It's not luck. There's also another account here. So this is one of my YouTube accounts I'm also managing. You understand? And right now, this YouTube account is already having 4,986 subscribers, almost touching 5K subscribers. And I created this YouTube account for evidence sake. Let me just review to you. Where is it? Yes. This is it. I actually have this email very long time ago, you understand? But look at when I started posting my video here. See, on the 13th of, here is it. It's Wednesday on the 19th of March 2025. That's when I started posting, posting just one video. Let's go to the contents. See my first video here. Wait. When you go to shorts, I don't have long form videos. So when you go to, this is the first video I posted. I posted this video on the 20th of March, 2025. So I created this account on the same day as the first account I show you. But that video, first day, touched 682. I didn't give up. I posted the second video and it was already, right now it's 7,000 views. The third video, 9,000 views and all that and so forth. The last video, which I posted on the 15th of April, 2025, is now 57,000 views. Is this luck? No, don't tell me it's luck. It is not luck. This is the second account I'm showing you. So that's it. So just be consistent and trust in the process. Later on, just subscribe. The algorithm is not for anybody. However, there are some few things in terms of your thumbnails, in terms of how your content, even the length of your video, and even how you can create loops. A whole lot, you understand, a whole lot. Some few settings that you have to do. Some people do set locations and all that, but we will talk about that one later. So that's the end of the video. In case I left something out, please leave it in the comment section, subscribe, and watch out for more. We're going to talk about a whole lot of softwares, some AI's reviews that we are going to do. Because in 2025, from now, if you are missing AI tools, then Charlie. It's a bye for now.